Good morning, students. Here is class 8th. The subject is maths. Dear students, today we will start a new topic, that is operations on sets. First operation is union of two sets. Union of two sets. For example, we have two sets A and B, and it has a some elements. ठीक है, then we will represent union of A and B. A, this is the sign for union, A union B. Okay, we will write A union B. Suppose A has element 1, 5, 12, 15 and B has element 3, 5, 12, 15, 17. So here we will write union of A and B. Then see the elements. Here is 1, 5, 12, 15. So 3, 5, 12, 15, 17. So here 5, 12 and 15 is repeated in both the sets. So we will not write these elements. Okay. So 1, we will not repeat these elements. 1, 5, 12, 15, then 3, 5 is already here, no need to write again. 12, 15, then 17. This is the answer. So in A union B, we will combine all the elements and repeated elements we will not write again. Okay. Then intersection of two sets. Intersection we will represent A intersection B. ठीक है, this U will be in the reverse position. Okay, so if this question is there, suppose we will take this example 1, 5, 12, 15, 3, 5, 12, 15, 17. तो बच्चे कॉमन एलिमेंट्स कौन से हैं? In the intersection we will write just only the repeated or common elements 5, 12, 15. तो बच्चे इसका आंसर हो गया 5, 12, 15. Okay, in the union we will write all the elements and repeated elements only we will write one time, and in the intersection we will write only the common elements. जो सिर्फ कॉमन है वही लिखनी है. ठीक है जी. Then complement of a set. If A is any set and U is universal set. ठीक है, हमारे पास एक बिग सेट होगा. इन द लास्ट वीडियो आई एक्सप्लेन कि जैसे W है, W इज़ द सेट ऑफ होल नंबर, उसमें सारे ही नंबर्स आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, and we have another set A. Okay, then the complement of a set is said to be the set that contains all those elements in U that do not belong to A. For example, जैसे है हमारे पास U यूनिवर्सल सेट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and any set A has elements 3, 4, 5 and 8. Okay, then A complement we will represent like this, or A यहाँ पे C भी लिख सकते हो. Either you can use this symbol or this symbol. ठीक है. Then complement of a C we will see from the complement of A we will see from the universal set. universal set में से ही देखना है. ठीक है, जो इसमें A वाले एलिमेंट्स इसमें आ रहे हैं वो नहीं लिखने. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1, 2, 3 is in set A, so we will not write 3. 4 is here, so we will not write 4. 5 is here, we will not write 5. 6, 7, 8 is here, so we will not write A. 8, then 9 and 10. So this is the answer. I think this one is clear. Next is differences of sets. Difference अगर माइनस करना है बच्चे, suppose we have taken A set has elements 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 and B has set elements 1, 2, 10, 12. Okay बच्चे, see carefully here. When you will do A minus B, A minus B, तो we will observe only A elements of set A. जो B वाले elements इसमें आ रहे हैं that we will not write. So 1, 2, 1, 2 is here. So we will not write 1 and 2. Next element is 3, then 7, 8. 10, 12 is not here, so we will not write 10 or 12. Okay, when we will do A minus B, we will observe from elements of set A. If we want to do B minus A, then we will just take the elements of B. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे B 1 and 2 is here. A वाले माइनस करने इसमें से, ठीक है, B सेट में से A वाले एलिमेंट्स माइनस कर देने हैं. 1, 2 is here, so we will not write 1, 2, then 10, 12. 10 and 12 is the answer. I think this concept is clear. When we will do A minus B, A वाला सेट देखो, B वाले उसमें से माइनस कर दो. When we will do B minus A, B वाला सेट देखो, उसमें से A वाले क्या कर दो, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो. ठीक है जी. Then properties of ऑपरेशन, यूनियन वाली प्रॉपर्टीज बच्चे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, A union B is equal to B union A. It means they are commutative in nature. That is, union of two sets is commutative. Similarly, A union B union C is equal to A union B B union C. चाहे B और C का यूनियन कर लो, फिर A के साथ कर लो. So union of sets is associative. This set is this symbol is for subset. Subset भी मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में आपको समझाया था. A इस अगर हम A और B का यूनियन ले लें तो A इसका सबसेट होगा, ऐसे B भी इसका सबसेट होगा. मतलब B के एलिमेंट्स इन सेट्स में से ही होंगे. ओके, देन A यूनियन B A इज इक्वल टू A. किसी भी सेट का यूनियन उसी के साथ ही लोगे तो सेम आंसर विल कम. देन प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, दीज आर आल्सो सेम. इंटरसेक्शन इज आल्सो कम्यूटेटिव. ओके, देन एसोसिएटिव. देन A intersection B will be the subset of A, also the subset of B. Okay, then A intersection A is equal to A, same property is there. Then if we will take A intersection with empty set, then our answer will be empty. Nothing will be common here. So up to here it is okay. Then we will solve few questions of exercise 7.3. First question is, find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A for set A is has elements A, B, C, D. Then set B has elements C, D, E, F. C, D, E, F. Then A union B. A union B में बच्चे we will write all the elements. A, B, C, D are repeated here. So we will write one time only. तो इसका आंसर आएगा A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, then A intersection B, These two elements are common, C and D. तो A इंटरसेक्शन B का आंसर आएगा C and D. Then A माइनस B, A वाले सेट में से अब B वाले एलिमेंट्स क्या कर दो, माइनस कर दो. ओनली CD इज कॉमन, सो दिस विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. सो आवर आंसर विल बी A, B. Then B minus A, CD is common here, so this will be subtracted. Answer will be E and F. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.